Now, if indeed these drones have to be allowed to operate, if we allow them to cross these thresholds, we have to have very granular, very sophisticated, automated air traffic management. That too is part of the Drone 2.0 regulations. And what the air traffic management allows you to do is a term that we are bringing to the world for the first time, which we are calling bimodal control. The idea of bimodal control is that if you have a drone that is able to fly beyond visual line of sight, that is carrying payloads and can be automated so that you don't have a drone pilot for each drone, then you effectively have bimodal control, which ensures that both the drone service provider have total granular, sophisticated control of the drone, but air traffic management also has control of the drone, so that if you deviate from your drone corridor, then control gets handed over to air traffic management, and whether it is returned to home or whether it is a safe landing, both of those can be achieved when control transfers over to air traffic management. So these are the ideas that we are advancing. These are the concepts that we have developed for our Drone 2.0 regulations. As I said, we are going to be issuing a roadmap which lays all of this out and which enables people to now start developing the technology, start to make investments, keeping in mind this digital sky framework. Now, to illustrate this digital sky framework somewhat more, we have 2 more videos just so you can begin to see what might be possible once we implement this digital sky framework. Could we have the videos, please? So this is a demonstration of what's possible with no permission, no takeoff, which is a part of the Drone 1.0 regulations. And ideaForge, which is a company based right here in Mumbai, has already implemented no permission, no takeoff. An Indian company, Indian entrepreneurs, Indian engineers, showing you, ladies and gentlemen, showing you how technology standards that we are developing in India can be used to ensure the safe and lawful usage of drones, but which can also hopefully be a standard that can be used elsewhere in the world, where we have a registered drone pilot, a registered drone service provider staying within the geo-fenced green area and ensuring that their operations are safe in this fashion. That's an excellent example of what's possible even today with Drone 1.0.